challenge that we've heard though is like, what are some like tactical things that we can drive empowerment to drive this kind of positive culture that we want?
The culture and driving the empowerment, it's all about behaviors. So you need to take a look at what your goals are, understanding very clearly how you can achieve those goals, and then understanding what parts the different people play in that. Leaders are afraid to delegate. Authority is perhaps the biggest challenge of all. People get into a leadership role and they think, yes, leadership, that involves taking authority. That's, I'm the guy that takes authority. Why? If there is someone else that can do what you are doing without, a great deal of training, without a great deal of changes, why not allow them to do it? We have to show through our norms and our behaviors that we believe that these people are capable of doing it and that we will empower them. And delegation is not dumping, it's just making sure that the team has the authority to do what they need to do to move the problem forward. Are you getting in the way, or are you enabling that people move forward? That as a leader, you will always be responsible for the team. There may be course corrections. There may be, we have to say, okay, that one tried and that one failed. But again, if someone fails in during empowerment, is that a bad thing? It's not a really great thing. But again, if you don't take the risks and you don't make these changes, then you'll never fail. That's great. But you also won't improve.